What's up guys, and welcome to Project Colonial. Today we're going to be doing some flooring here, and as you can see there was a bit of an uneven surface right here. So what I did to temporarily fix that is, well, actually permanently fix that, is I used this stuff called it's called floor patch, and it's a feather finish. So how it works is you spread it out and it feathers out to the floor, so you barely notice the difference. Now the difference here was probably about an 1/8 of an inch, which isn't too significant, but you know, you still want a nice smooth surface to be walking on. You are going to be living in the house, and you don't want to notice unlevel floors. That isn't fun, right? So so I put that down for the client and I feathered it out, and now I should be able to start laying some floor. As you can see, it's not the prettiest. This was how it was before, and it would be too costly to rip this up and change it for what it should be changed to. So we're just gonna lay it over. It's only gonna be a rental here anyways, so it's not that big of a deal. It'll work anyways. It's not like it's totally bad. But if you wanted to do it properly, you would rip all that off, and then I would even probably rip this off. This is an extra, I don't know, probably 1/4 inch MDF that they laid down. So that's just me. That's what I'd probably do. So I did start mudding here. I got that done, second coat today. Kitchen is pretty much staying. Just gonna get cleaned up and put to new. Down here we got a bedroom. This is getting floored. Like, just look how choppy that is. It's not uneven though. It's not uneven, so it just looks choppy. But it's not uneven. It's good. Then you walk into here. They got some aspenite laid down on the floor. This is what they should have put throughout the whole house, actually, not this MDF. Here's bedroom number 3. I got my trim and my moldings painted. Got my doors painted and ready to go. Bathtub is in. Mudding in here as well. When they bought the house, there was an existing wall here. You could tell, if you look closely up there, you could see it right there. So there was an existing wall. So all I'm gonna do is, I would have liked for that to be moved over here to be underneath the vanity. Homeowner didn't want to do that, so it's gonna stay there. Wall's gonna stay gone. So all that's happening in here is there's gonna be a tub surround that's getting put in, fresh coat of mud, paint, and then new flooring. Ideally, again, this whole thing would be ripped out and it'd be brand new drywall, because whoever put this before is just like, that's what you call a DIY. That's a DIY homeowner who did that. Somebody who shouldn't have been playing around with anything to do with anything with renovations, but he did. And there's a light here now. So that's it for the bathroom. Floor, paint, tub surround, done. Flooring throughout the bedrooms, flooring throughout the hallway, living room, kitchen, all gonna be the same click laminate flooring. And that's it. So stay tuned.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
When I'm measuring for a floor, I want to make sure that Number one, I want to make sure that I'm not going to be left with like anything under, probably I'm going to say a foot of a piece at least. So I did a full piece to start and it landed perfect. For the second part, I did 2 feet. Come on, focus. On the second part, I did 2 feet, which leaves me with just under 2 feet at the end. So this works out perfect, and that's the pattern that I'm going to go with, a full piece by a 2-foot piece, and that's how I'm going to carry it out through the whole house. And this is going to give me my best. This is going to give me the best outcome possible for my flooring right now.
Make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.